I was on the mistaken belief that we were together on the platform of unity and continuity. Nagkamali ako, kaya hinihingi ko ang patawad ninyo. You know, this has been going on for 9 days, ang assault sa inyong Kingdom Nation. At I could not come earlier dahil meron ding atake sa opisina ng pangalawang Pangulo. At hindi ko maiwanan ang aking mga kasamahan doon sa Office of the Vice President. But always remember na wala man ako